Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function bytes. Hello, Python developers. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a core Python built-in function that is essential for handling binary data, the bytes function. This function is crucial for managing bytes and byte-oriented data efficiently. Let's unravel the details and practical uses of bytes. The bytes function in Python creates a new bytes object, which is an immutable sequence of bytes. The syntax is bytes, source encoding errors, where source can be a variety of data types including strings, integers, and iterables. Encoding and errors are used specifically when converting a string to bytes. Before we proceed, let's define a few key terms. Bytes are the basic units of data in computing, used to represent and manipulate data at the binary level. When dealing with strings, encoding refers to the process of converting a string into bytes using formats such as UTF-8. Errors specify how to handle encoding issues during this conversion. Why use bytes? This function is indispensable for operations that involve raw binary data. It's used extensively in reading or writing binary files, sending data over a network, and interfacing with APIs that require binary formats. The bytes function is particularly valuable when you need to ensure data integrity and format when interacting with external systems, such as databases, file systems, or network services that do not process raw strings directly. Let's look at some examples to better understand how bytes is used. In this first example, we take a string, hello world, and we convert it to bytes using the encoding code UTF-8. In our second example, we use the bytes function to create a bytes array from an iterable of integers. In our third example, the byte array created in example 2 is now written to a binary file. These examples demonstrate how to convert strings and lists of integers into bytes, which are then ready to be used in file operations or other data processing tasks that require binary format. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Python's bytes function. By mastering bytes, you can handle binary data more effectively, enhancing the functionality and reliability of your Python applications. Keep exploring Python's built-in functions with us. For more tips and in-depth tutorials, make sure to subscribe.